Welcome to the Metrics That Matter Project Assessment Module Overview by KnowledgeAdvisors. How does our learning measurement software improve the effectiveness and business outcomes of learning, you ask? Well, 5 important features and benefits. Best practice. KnowledgeAdvisors is a trusted source of thought leadership for evaluating the effectiveness of critical human capital initiatives. Cloud computing. Metrics That Matter, our flagship software, utilizes a cloud-based architecture enable easy implementation and integration with other enterprise systems. Integrated reporting. Matter integrates data from multiple enterprise systems with information collected through evaluations and assessments. And this is rendered through automated dashboards, scorecards, and detailed customizable reports. Informal and social learning measurement. Metrics that reaches beyond formal learning programs and learning management systems to measure learning effectiveness in informal and social learning environments. And 5, benchmarking. Metrics that includes a benchmark database with over 750 million external data points and over 100 standard reports. Benchmarking can be sliced by industry, course type, job function, and more to compare learning effectiveness against external averages. Our data collection, storage, processing, and reporting system is what you need in order to accomplish your measurement goals in a user-friendly environment. Our system's powerful capabilities to take your most basic inputs from class attributes to tests, evaluations, and other business data and translate those into outputs in the form of concise and clear reports and dashboards. Know that 35% of company spending is project-based. If a project is 15% complete and problems occur, that project will stay in trouble through completion. And that 70% of projects fail to deliver the benefits anticipated at the outset. It is because of points that you should measure your projects with a practical and scalable approach. Highly effective and ineffective processes and make performance management more timely and actionable. Today we will take you on a walkthrough of how your organization can use our project assessment module to assess the overall effectiveness of the strategic, visible, and costly projects within your organization. This is a tool to make sure your projects stay on track, hit the goals and desired outcomes on time and on budget. The project assessment tool allows you to evaluate project outcomes, processes, and team members for one-time or repeatable projects. The tool includes templates to evaluate outcomes, processes, and team members, or you can create your own using the administrative tool. Team members will be evaluated using a 3-6 multi-rater assessment. The data collection process is automated, including reminders. Projects can be evaluated at multiple times throughout the life of the project, and feedback can be collected from project sponsors with a full reporting suite. Now let's take a look at the module and Metrics That Matter. To start out, a project template would be created in Metrics That Matter, which begins by defining the program rules. Status indicators guide you through the setup process. Next, you'll establish what type of feedback will be collected: project process, or team member performance. If you choose to assess team members, you'll have the opportunity to do so in a multi-rater format, and you will define what relationships will provide feedback here. Next, customize the email messaging, including text and timing. You'll then have the opportunity to preview the user experience, set up automated reporting. Once the pro defaults are set, you can then schedule projects against this program. Now we'll look at several reports. This report we'll look at is Project Assessment Comparative Performance Report, which reports overall program results organized by project team member in this case. These have the ability to roll up data for multiple projects, competencies, and include a benchmark indicator to make it visually simple to determine which line items your report are performing above or below your average. Next, variance report shows quantitative responses distributed among high, average, and low score ranges by question category in this example. This report can easily be generated by category, participant, or by using other demographics collected. The assessment participant report is narrative in nature and shows participants' quantitative and qualitative responses presented nicely in a PDF or Word document with analysis broken down by standard categories as seen in the table of contents. This report aims to give the participant an idea of how their scores break down, where additional help is needed, and where it performed well. The document adds value by taking the raw data collected from the assessments and creating easy-to-read charts and graphs. Lastly, the assessment summary report is a narrative by nature and can be created in Word or PDF. It includes extensive information that will pull together charts and qualitative data to give you a good overview of how the project went. You'll receive an executive summary which can help you gauge overall performance of the outcomes, which will help you highlight your successes, process results, which where sound process practices have been successful, and summary of the team core competencies, which will help you identify skill gaps in the team members, and a comparative chart for future project team member recommendations as well. And throughout the report, all qualitative feedback is included in this report. And summarize. The MetaMatter project assessment module is extremely easy to configure with templates, forms, and flexible rater assignments. Measuring your project management processes is important because there are too many resources and too much at risk not to measure your critical projects. Scrutinize process metrics to monitor cost, time, scope, change, and conflict. Employ metrics to drive goal setting, accountability, and stewardship of your projects. Utilizing metrics to help project team members identify their hidden strengths and blind spots. This brief overview provides additional insight into how the Metrics That Matter project assessment module can be used within your organization. We greatly appreciate you viewing this recording and hope you found it valuable and useful. Please contact us either by phone or email using the information on your screen.